I audible, guys?
Yes.
Thank you. I hope we enjoyed lunch, and thanks to Prashant for giving insights on Nutanix. And once again, thanks to XenTegra for allowing us to participate in their launch. And just to give you background, Lenovo, all know as a hardware company, but today I am here to talk a bit different in terms of what has happened in last, I would say precisely last decade, that things have moved out from specifically saying hardware or server or storage. Those words have become actually commodities, and they have been replaced by new names. What are the technology disruptors like Nutanix and other cloud solutions, another HCI solutions in the market, right? So with respect to, I'll come to those points later. With respect to Lenovo, it's 30 years now for us. Our acquisition on ThinkSystem is not that old, but our entire ThinkSystem solutions are now 30 years old, and that is what we want to talk, that Lenovo and the products of Lenovo with respect to servers and other client solutions are pretty old in the market. We have our existing customers who have been using for decades, and now they are being served by Lenovo. So when you talk about Lenovo, first thing what comes in the mind is we are the company who provides solution from handheld devices, from pocket devices to client computing solutions to edge and then to the cloud solutions, right? So we are a one-stop shop when you want to decide or when you want to go for a solution where there is a lot of mobile computing required, where there is a lot of edge computing, and there is cloud computing required, right? So we can do all these things at a single go. How do we build this? Okay, so all these solutions can be offered in 3 different verticals. We are divided into 3 different verticals from a business perspective. That is IDG, ISG, and SSG. You heard me saying that in last decade, a lot of disruption happened, and hardware particularly has become commodity. That is where we offer this as a smart. We offer it as a ISG as a smart infrastructure, because nobody talks about server nowadays. Everybody talks about nodes, right? If you see underlying nodes is nothing but a server, but that is how the things have become smart, right? And to deploy these smart solutions, we have our solutions and services arm where we can also offer this from that standpoint. With respect to IDG, where we have devices from IoT standpoint, from handheld devices, there also a lot of things are getting into AI and ML kind of environment where you see a lot of things which move from this particular IoT becomes part of those applications as well. This is a slide where it talks about our achievements. In last few decades, we have been doing good amount of benchmarks, and we have been rated number 1 on those benchmarks. And if you see in the recent past, with every launch of new CPU from a CPU vendor, we are actually doing more number of benchmarks, and we are increasing that benchmark numbers by multi-fold. This only proves and shows that we are very serious about the technology what comes in the market, and we are there to do innovation along with that technology and bring the best results in the market. Sorry for that. So this particular slide is important. HPC is one area where we have been number 1 in last few years, and we would continue to do so in forthcoming years as well. Again, if you see, the solution is HPC, but underlying it will be all servers, it will be all the hardware which will go under it. So HPC, HCI, HANA appliances. So those are the words which people talk about, not that I need a server or I need a specific storage. So that is what is really changed, I would say, in last 1 decade. This is a very important slide where a lot of things have happened. When I say digital transformation, basically it is driving massive disruption in the business vertical for every organization. If adopted properly, in the organization, the IT is seen as a sales enabler rather than just a cost center. And to meet this digital transformation, our customers follow these 4 pillars of doing cloud native applications, which can be enabled with the latest technology and solutions like containers. And we are, from Lenovo, we provide a good amount of Kubernetes solutions and services and deployments around that. Similarly, AI and analytics, these words are not new word, right? It's something which we hear now very often, okay? And to meet this particular environment, we have our servers which can be supported by GPU and DPU, which allow you to do a lot of analytics, which allow you to do a lot of machine learning and other data science kind of workload to help you take better decisions, faster decisions, right? Third is data management. So when I talk about so many solutions, when you talk about so much of hardware, you will keep generating data from each and every device, starting from your handheld device to IoT devices, to the edge devices and to the cloud. Now, for an organization, it becomes sometimes difficult to manage data coming from all these streams because it is growing every moment as we talk. From Lenovo perspective, we have smart solutions when it comes to do the data management, in terms of providing you a solution where high performance is required, in terms of providing you a solution where you really need to do archives or to keep backup, and also to store that backup data maybe on a cloud somewhere. So we can offer solutions in all these places to manage the data management. Fourth is hybrid and multi-cloud. This is something very interesting, and what we have seen is that this has been taught by almost every CIO today, that we need to balance that. We have certain applications which have to be in-house, which cannot go on cloud. So that is where we come as handy, wherein they can see that infrastructure at cloud also could be there from Lenovo, and which is there inside the on-prem could be also from Lenovo. So these are the solutions which can be offered to make sure that you have similar experience in terms of support, in terms of reliability at both the places, whether it is on-prem or whether it is on cloud. To summarize, basically with this so many offerings available, what we are trying to say is this transformation is also called by few analysts as cloud which is going to enable the customers. In Lenovo, we call it as Lenovo Open Cloud. Okay. So what is Lenovo Open Cloud is basically we want to bring solutions which are tested, which are ready to deploy cloud solutions at your end, right? So these appliances or these nodes which will be pre-configured, which are pre-tested and are benchmarked on certain values, on certain applications, on certain configurations, and that can be delivered. So that is what Lenovo talks about open cloud vision. So for customer, it's a seamless experience when they talk to Lenovo in terms of what cloud solution they want to go, what XCI solution they want to go. We have those pre-configured solutions available from our side. With this Lenovo cloud option, we also bring in a couple of things wherein if there is a requirement of a customer, whether they want to go for a CapEx or OpEx model or true scale. So true scale is something what we have launched. I will talk a bit in the forthcoming slides about that. So this is one area. Second is the Lenovo software which can be, so with our XenTegra, all this automation and cloud management can be integrated with those cloud software providers. Our XenTegra software can be integrated and which will give you a seamless experience to manage the infrastructure. So basically this is what is Lenovo Think Agile Vision. So to adopt and to accelerate the cloud and moving towards our true scale, this is something what we have launched in India. Globally it is there, and in India we launched it last year, and we are very serious about this business in India. So true scale is basically everything as a service. It is pay as you use model, and here we can offer device as a service, infrastructure as a service. This actually enables, so today is the right time to bring this kind of offering in the market where there is a lot of uncertainty with respect to which project will long how much. which project will grow very fast. Okay, so with this offering of TrueScale, customer can be rest assured if they want to grow faster, if they want to reduce or they want to remove their hardware with respect to the project completion. So a lot of those capex related overheads can be taken over, and it can help you do faster business decisions. This is a list of customers what we have across the globe as well as in India. Those are happy customers. They have deployed our HANA solutions, they have deployed our HPC, they have deployed our HCI solutions. With this, I would like to thank once again to the team and to the audience present here. If there are any questions, I am open for it, please. Thank you.